name is Alfredo Sanchez. I'm from Gal Roofing and Exteriors. And what I have to say about this company is since we purchased this equipment from them, they always been in continuous communication. They help us with the transportation, to set up the equipment. Whenever we have any questions or we need help with anything, they always there. They always help us to fix or do any repairs we need to do with the equipment. Right now the equipment is working the way it's supposed to. And what I can say about the equipment is it's excellent quality. You know, like from the beginning when they delivered the machines, we seen